Start. Second game, Metro Ballers versus sa Great East. Monsera. Pasu Malangit. Pasu Jepon Sentosa. Susu dan Sane. Number 15 Asilo. Asilo lagi di bawah. Mendoza. Monsera. Malangit. Lagi di bawah. Number 13. Pass to number 21. 14 second shot clock. 3-2. In favor of Metro Ballers. Monsera. Crossover by Monsera. Pass to 2 points. Mikey Roseno. Case favor 4-3.
Robot no.
2 points. Number 21. Zoren. To Simon. To Monsera. Monsera. 83. Now you're in 5. Out of bounds. The ball goes to Metro Ballers. Especially new ballers sa Mapapawis League. Jerseys is by Matang Clothing. By J. Cassis and family. Wow! Pass to Asilo. 15 seconds shoot. Lagi, buka by Tama. Tama. Pass to Malangit. Pass to Tama. Block by Asilo. Block by Asilo. Tinignan pa. Para walang mata. Grabe ka, idol. Skill by Jumawa. Jumawa. Short number. Lagi. 5-5. Jumawa lagi. Jumawa. Malangit. Pass to Ama. 23. Lagi. 5-5. Asilo. Steal by Mendoza. Nakawala si Monsera. 2 points. Monsera. Zoren. Tuban Balayan. Number 13. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Zoren. Zoren pass to number 8. Foul by jersey number 10. Ay, number 10. 35. 10. Ay, ito. Dan Simon. First personal foul by Mendoza. Shooting 2. Silao. First shot is still good.
Hype.
Second shot. Makukuha kaya ni Mr. Silao. Lagi, di bawah. Tama crossover move. 15 seconds to Mendoza. Block. Mendoza again. 2 points. Dan Mendoza. Chase favor. 8-7 in favor of Kings. Zoren step back 3. Lagi, di bawah. Number 13. Number 13. Pass to Silao. Lagi, di bawah. Tama pass to Monsera. 2 points. Monsera. 6 minutes and 15 seconds for the first quarter.
Rabi violation.
Warning for delay the game, Guillermo Serra. Lahat po lang na pakitanggal po. Kung may mga accessories po kayo na necessary pakitanggal na po lang. Maraming salamat po. Guillermo Serra. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Pass to Kakaola looking green. Nogi. 3-1-5. Palagi. Palagi taking green. Ayun pa yung Nogi. 3-1-5. Asilo. 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 Pass to Nogi. 3-1-5. San Mendoza. Pass to Bocera. Bocera ko sa group. 2 points. Bocera. Stand by for cage 5. Stand by po for cage 5. Stand by for cage 5. Asilo. Pass to na Asilo. Then safe shoot. Cage 5 na po. Cage 5. Cage 5 po. Cage 5.
Ilang buzzer yan?
Cage 5. Cage 5. Paso na po. Cage 5. Cage 5. Ang game na ito ay isa ito na Matrakurubi. While sa game classes, mga jerseys po natin, pwede po kayo magpasabay dyan. PM nyo lang po kami sa page or PM nyo ako mismo. 2 points, Guillermo Serra. 39. To number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Grabe, hindi ba ang license ang sabi nila po, nahuli na ng iyong kaibigan. Tumungo si Serra. 4 minutes and 30. Grabe, di ba ba? Number 27. Skill by Mocera. 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 Lagi. Di ba ba? Number 27. 27. Pass to number 9. 83. Number 9. 14-12. Pass to Papa. Pass to Mocera. 83. Lagi. 3-5. 3-5. Liquete. Lagi. 3-5. Mocera pa rin. Foul. Foul by jersey number 16. Number 16, first personal foul of the Mega Ballers. Hamid, 83. Nugget, 3-5. Other parties, another Silao. Silao. Silao, pass to number 9 again. Taking step back 3. Nugget, 3-5. Complete na. Pass to Mocera. 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 2 points. Mocera. Number 10. Number 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to number 27. Alam. Pass to number 16. Foul. Foul by jersey number 8. Hamid. Taki po kayo lang. Bago po kayo manager dyan. Way nice. Kakapin po ballers. Taki po. Mag-taki po kayo. Way nice. First personal foul. Second people. First shot. Airball. Second shot. Makukuha kaya. Number 16. De Los Santos. No good again. Rebound foul. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Soft. Great teams. To Papa. Kama. Pass to Liquete. 2 points. Liquete. Equal. 2 minutes and 37 seconds of the first quarter. Split over number 10. Number 10 taking shot pa. Nugget. Split over number 16 pa. De Los Santos. First shot is no good again. Second shot, makukuha yan De Los Santos. 1 out of 2 by De Los Santos. Third timeout. Pass to Mosquera. Mosquera. Out of bounds. Pass to Kama. Pass to Liquid, 83. Lagi di pagkain. Sumon. Stolan. Pamit. Reserve timeout po. Nakikita na, hindi nakitig ang baser. Timeout po.